Alright, we're going to hook this, I believe it's pronounced Aguei, folding solar panel up to two phones directly from the USB that's provided. It's a 120 watt folding solar panel. Both phones are at about 20%, and we'll see how long it takes to actually charge up. So let me get this thing unfolded. Alright, we got the panel set up in full sunlight here. And as you can see, it is 139 and it is charging, and it's also charging this other phone. It's an iPhone and an Android together, charging off direct USB there, as you can see, and we'll let it charge up and see what happens. It's been about 40-45 minutes or so, and as you can see, it is definitely charging the phone, and the other phone is charged up to about 50% as well. So this will charge two devices easily with no power brick, straight from the USB. I just wanted to get this. It is constantly pulling over 80 watts now. So it does charge at exactly what the manufacturer says. It actually goes a little over. So we're at 84 watts now. I think we've seen a peak of about 85 watts. Yeah, 85 watts peak. So this thing can handle, definitely can handle a 120 watt solar panel. That's what I have hooked to it right now, a foldable one. Okay, so overall with this 120 watt solar panel folding, overall it's a great deal. You're not going to hit the 120 watts. We were only able to get about 85 peak, but we did contact the company and they do stand behind their product. So they will offer a replacement refund just to make the customer happy. So that's why we do recommend this panel, because the company stands behind it. You do get a DC to DC cable and a few DC adapters that will commonly plug into your Jackeries, your Bluettis, and if you see in the video, we hooked the Renogy directly to it with no adapters, no nothing. If you want to see that video, click the link above. Other than that, the only complaints that we had were they have this plastic film that covers the panels, and they tell you to remove it prior to use. Other than that, the material is canvas. It's pretty durable, it has eyelets, it's decently thick. And on the back here, you do have your USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 and your DC jack with a power indicator to let you know. So we'll get it closed up and see how it looks. Alright, overall the panel is well designed. We don't think that it's subject to outside 24/7 use. You should take it down when there's any inclement weather or anything to protect the panel. It's got the clasp there to close it up. Like I said, it's durable nylon type material, or corduroy, whatever you want to call it, fabric. Big pouch there for all your accessories in there, and it holds it just fine. You can even fit some more in there. We put some different adapters in there for everything. But yeah, producing 80 watts out of the 120 is not the greatest, but the company stands behind their product, and that's why we think it's good. So I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.